What's up, everybody? This is Austin, and welcome back to We're Talking Finance. Before we get started, I just want to say this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's entertainment purposes only, blah, 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 blah. So take what I'm saying with, that little grain of salt, yeah. Because chances are, I may not even know what I'm talking about. So anyways, Tuesday wrapped up. Let's have a look here, and we're going to make this one quick. So let's roll on. We're going to do this pretty fast. So one that I'm looking at that really hasn't been on the radar yet is going to be ticker symbol KAVL. You may have noticed it today. There's a lot of volume, 153 million in volume, with their average volume about 2.85 million. And the reason for this is there is a cigarette, an e-cigarette that was FDA approved, that they actually distribute or have something to do with, and so that's why we're seeing this this jump today. Keep an eye on it. It's that's not what I'm going for. This was at one point a pretty strong stock. Let's get to the day chart. Yes, this was up in the $40 range back in February. And we're trading at $225 today. I could, just like I said, keep an eye on it. There's a massive spike in volume. So what does that tell us? Retail investors are getting involved. Okay, moving on. Kavl Energy. Wow. What a day. Up 21% on the day. We're up 1.18 in after hours at the moment. We did start to barcode here at the end of the day. It got kind of scary. This is one always, I've been warning you guys about Kavl. So, again, you can watch my video from a couple Fridays ago that I was, illustrating my day trading pattern on that. But be careful with Kavl Energy. Their fundamentals are not great. You can do your own due diligence on that. Let's talk about here real quick. Let's talk about ticker symbol PROG, which is actually down 2% after hours, and it didn't finish very much on the day. A lot of short interest. The borrow rate is 83%. Okay. This phone, let me go ahead and turn those notifications off. Everybody knows what's going on. This is one of the highest volume. I think it was number 2 on volume for the day. A lot of short interest. You will see these shorts covering, so be very, very, very careful. This is very volatile. This isn't a long play. Okay, but there is a potential. I could see this going up to $6 pretty easily, but it's going to happen quick. And speaking of quick, let's move on to Bbig, Vinco. Let's look at this on the day here. Interesting pattern here. This one, the borrow rate went up to 91% today, and it wasn't up; it was down 6% on the day. So, what does that tell you? There are companies that are shorting this like crazy. They're buying these shorts. They're buying these positions. They're getting into the short position on it because the borrow fee rate increased almost 10% in one day. This one's gonna go. I'm increasing my position on this one pretty much constantly. AMC, nothing's changed. We all know that story. Shorts haven't covered. It looks like on the day chart here that we did get a golden cross in the last few days. Everything's looking pretty steady actually for the AMC. We're probably going to see mid to low 30s before this is all said and done. So yeah, that's really what I wanted to talk about. Just in a recap here. Ticker symbol KAVL, ticker symbol BBIG, ticker symbol PROG. Those are the ones that I'm watching. The crypto is, whatever. Anyways. So I'll try to come back out here later on this evening with a more in-depth analysis of kind of some of these things I'm looking at. But as of right now, that's what I'm seeing. Be very careful. This is a very volatile time with these shorts. The hedge funds are going to begin to close their long positions to cover their short positions. They're using crypto to fund a lot of this. That's why you're seeing major fluctuations in that. So be very careful. This might be a good time if you don't know what you're doing to go into an index or find a beta stock. And if you don't know what that is, Google it, and I'll do a video later. So anyways, appreciate you hanging around. I'll touch base with you guys later on.